Wort filtration technology in beer brewing. Wort filtration overview. Wort filtration is the process of removing solids from a liquid through a porous medium. Filtration effect depends on particle size and filter media porosity. Substances suspended in the liquid are larger than the pore size and will remain on the filter media. Wort filtration process method and goal. Filtration of wort with filter tank and filter press to obtain high-quality wort. The enzymatic oxidation of wort, with less oxygen uptake, occurs during filtration of whole wort. Reduced harmful substances leached from wheat husks. Ensure that the whole pot of wort meets the iodine testing qualification. Thorough washing of distillers' grains for high mash rate. Improve equipment utilization under the premise of ensuring the quality of filtered wort and thorough cleaning. Finally, from an environmental point of view, reduce the cost of wastewater treatment and protect the ecological environment.